a brother, but you run. Trust me. Genuine people that love me. Sanitizer. Float like a butterfly. Coming by. Yo, what's up? What's up, Rita? Yeah, bro, I'm good. Are you? Sorry, man, I'm just listening to some music right now. I'm just trying to get myself hyped up, you know? What's up, Renato? Deepak, what's up, bro? You can't hear this music, right? Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Turn it up. Nah, it's on silent. It's on silent. I can't play it because I'll get copyrighted by YouTube. I can't play it because I'll get copyrighted on YouTube, man. Fuck. Now we gotta go back to this shit. You're listening to M24? Huh? M24? What the fuck is M24? It's been a choppy market today. Consolidate. Yeah, this is why I don't trade. This is why I don't trade on inflation days. Like, look at this. Look at this crap. This is exactly why I do not trade. What's up? What's up, siblings? You bullish or bearish for gold? Right now, bro, I'm absolutely nothing. Look at this. You cannot be bullish or bearish on gold, like, right now. You just have to wait and see what happens. So, overall, from the higher time frame, like looking at the weekly, I'm bearish. Bearish. I want to tap like a bit more into like this range up here, maybe like all these wicks to the left that you can see. I want to see a tap into this area first of all. So I think we could potentially get a bit more of a move to the upside. You can see Monday, Tuesday, potentially pullback candles, you know, bullish pullback candles for, you know, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to continue bearish based on the weekly. So we just have to wait and see how news comes out, to be honest. We just gotta wait and see about news. But overall, from the weekly perspective, I'm bearish right now. We just got to see if these daily candles start flipping bearish, right? Like Monday, Tuesday is bullish, pullback, weekly top wick into this zone over here. You can see it's coming into these rejections, right? These rejections right here. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We could sell off here, but obviously we've got inflation. Not much we can do right now. What's up, Wayne? Got 3 stop loss hit today. Yeah, this is exactly why I do not trade inflation days, NFP days, inflation days, interest rate days. We got interest rates tomorrow as well, so I won't be trading again. Absolutely not. Oh, that. Oh, that. All right, let's start the TikTok up. Let's start the tickety-tock. Tick of the talk. Let's see how the TikTok goes today. Let's hope we don't get banned. But yeah, basically my only bias on gold right now is from the higher time frames, from the weekly, from the monthly. You know, again, looking at the monthly perspective, it's looking bearish, right? We've created the top wick, we started driving down, it's flipped bearish, it's pushing down into these areas down here, which I have marked from the monthly perspective, down into these candle closures, this monthly candle closure and this monthly candle open, pushing down in there. So yeah, right now, you know, weekly's looking bearish, monthly's looking bearish. Daily just needs to start breaking down, right? We've come back into this, like I said, we've come back into this area right here of resistance, right? While support, resistance, but you know, it hasn't really, it's tapped into like these 2 wicks right here, but I really wanted it to see coming up a bit further into kind of these areas like in here for a tap. So we could still potentially see that. But like right now, there's not really much we can do until news comes out, because price is just gonna keep doing this. Price is gonna keep doing this. What's up, Hassan? But who? Let's be honest with me. Be honest with me, guys. Did you take a trade today? And if so, did you win or did you lose? Be honest. How long is news? News is in about 50 minutes or so. What's up, Miss H? I'm well. Thank you very much. How are you? You didn't take a trade today? Good. Well done. Well done. To have to make the decision to have a non-trading day takes a lot of discipline. And sticking to it, right? Takes a lot of discipline. Nice, siblings. £60 profit. Very nice. Master lost one. Seal lost one. Jordan and took one. Just analyzing. Very small lots. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice, Miss H. Nice. Love that. Love that. But yeah, this is, I mean, to be honest with you, the signals from the indicator today, there was one on the 15-minute. It went about 20 pips into profit, so you would have made a bit of profit there. Potentially move stops to break even. You would have been out of break even. So there was a 15-minute signal where it drove for about 20 pips, and then there was also a 30-minute signal right here, a buy signal, which went for about 23 pips. So you potentially, if you use the indicator, you could have made profit today off those time frames. But yeah, personally, I just stay out. I just stay out. That's it. I just stay out. You're stealing from this morning, Wayne. What trade are you in, bro? Michael Rigger, appreciate the follow on TikTok. USD drop. That's what you think? Flips. You think it's gonna drop? Yeah, let's take a look at Forex Factory real quick. Let's filter it to only show USD right now because that's all I care about is the inflation news by impact. All right, so 10:30. Yeah, we got about 50 minutes. Inflation last time. What happened? Previous was 0.4. They forecasted 0.3 and it actually was 0.3. So when was that? That was May 15th. May 15th. Right here. Inflation. Let's have a look. All right, so we had the sharp, this candle right here, the sharp candle up, the retracement, and then the continuation bullish. So what did this candle do though? Traced back down into we traced back down, so it broke up and all the way down back into the previous or the current daily open. So the current daily open was this level right here. This is where the market opened for the day. You can see once news came out, it spiked up and then retraced all the way back down, tapped into that level perfectly. Boom, boom. Price started moving up. Entries could have been, there would have been a potential signal right here, I would say. Have a look. Outside the trading window. Oh, it's in. Okay, maybe not. But you had buy signals over here. You had a buy signal a little bit further up. I reckon there would have been a little bit maybe on the higher time frames. Yeah, higher time frame, you had one right here. As price tapped in, rejected 1, 2. Bullish, bullish. Straight after news, you get a 30-minute buy signal. Price goes up like 160 or so pips from there. So yeah, daily levels, daily open there. Price came all the way back down, spiked up, came all the way back down, tapped in, rejected twice, moved off. Beautiful. That's what happened last inflation. So where is our daily open today? It is up here in this area where I have a current level marked out, actually, right here. Boom. So let's see. It was a liquidity sweep on both sides last CPR. Or it was just a spike down into the daily open for a bullish continuation. What time is news? It's in about 45 minutes. It's inflation. 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 Or CPI. 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 Down. CPI and NPR, two major new, yeah, CPI, NFP, and interest rates, bro. And interest rates. Those are all the news events you want to look out for. And if you want to, you know, for me, I just stay out of the market. Whenever there is CPI, NFP, interest rates, I don't even trade at all during that day. You never seen interest rate? Interest rate is coming up right here. Fed interest rate coming up tomorrow, bro. Yeah, tomorrow. See you. Tomorrow. What's up, Laserman? Phrase, appreciate the follow on TikTok. GJ, did you dirty this morning? What happened? So basically, Sam, you explained now for previously if it will happen again today. I'm not saying it will happen exactly again today, but there is a chance, right? We know if price when CPI comes out, if it spikes down and then starts retracing back into this area, we know that based off the previous CPI, price can potentially spike down, come back into here, and then sell off again, which would be the current direction of the market, right? Based on the weekly and the monthly, right? If you have a look at the weekly is currently very, very bearish, right? Previous weekly candle right here, breaking previous lows, spiking out the highs, grabbing liquidity potentially, driving down. So now we're still Wednesday. We still have plenty of time for this to be a top wick, for price to flip bearish, to start breaking the previous weekly lows down here, right? And then continue bearish. So that could still very much happen. And that would align then with, that would align with the overall bearish bias. How about for gbpjpy? gbpjpy. gbpjpy was, yeah, very bullish there. I was actually looking at these entries potentially yesterday. Obviously, I wouldn't trade it because I only trade gold, but I was analyzing this yesterday, these levels right here, when price come down and retapped in here, but and also then as price started moving up into these levels, there was some good entries here for buys, which would have give about 33 pips so far profit potentially. But the entry would have had to have been, for me, really, the entry would have had to have been down here in this level somewhere if I was going to trade. If I was going to trade GJ. But there's not really anything clean. There's not anything clean in there. Maybe on the 15 entries could have been. Nah, there's still nothing clean for me in there, actually. I mean, the daily was probably the cleanest entry, right? Look at this. Look at the daily right here. Break of, if you take a look in this zone right here to the left, right? You have this resistance level. You have taps in here, taps in here, taps in here, taps in here. And then you had Monday's candle close above. So this is Monday's candle. Closed above that resistance. And then look what happened on Tuesday. Tuesday's daily candle came down and tapped in. Then broke the highs. Started pushing. That would be a nice 85 pips profit. But obviously you'd have to go down onto the lower time frames and try to find an entry in there somewhere. Which easier said than done, really. But yeah, GJ for me, like this week so far and today, definitely bullish, 100%. Now we're coming into like this area at the top, 200,744. This area in here, you can see price is rejecting. Currently, this is the 4-hour time frame. So you'd want to see in about the next hour, 10 minutes, how this 4-hour candle closes here at this level. If it closes above, then you can potentially look at continuations, but yeah, I'll see how this 4-hour candle closes. So no trading, yeah, no trades for 2 days for me. No trades today because of inflation, no trades tomorrow because of interest rates. That's it. That's my rules. That's what I stick by. That is what has gotten me to this point in my trading career. Like, I don't need to trade, right? Like, I've already had 2 trades this week. Wait, how many trades have I had this week, actually? And this is the reason why, you know, you guys hear me say like only take one trade a day potentially. If you have a winning trade, walk away. The other day I had a winning trade, and then I took another trade as well because I knew this week that I wasn't going to be trading today and tomorrow, right? 2 days in a row because of inflation and interest rates. So that was the reason I decided to take another trade, right? The setup that I saw matched, you know, my plan, my criteria, everything matched. It was a beautiful setup. So I was like, you know what? I'm not going to be trading for 2 days now because of news. So I'm going to take an extra trade today. So actually, I took 4 trades this week, 1 loss and 3 wins, for a total profit of $2,971 minus commissions, $2,760.71. So I'm good this week, you know. I'm good this week. What's up, Hayden? I paid for a laptop. I paid for the laptop, then the bank gave my money back. What? Wait, what did I miss? What did I miss here? You paid for a laptop and the bank give you your money back? What do you mean? I just got a free laptop. Yo, Java, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. I'm about to go take it out of my account. What, the money? Damn, son. But yeah, this is gold right now, 4-hour time frame. You know, no direction, no volume. And this is exactly, like I said, why I stay out during high impact inflation news. CPI, yeah, CPI. It's all tonight, CPI and FOMC. Yeah, it's all tonight, bro. Well, CPI is tonight, yeah, and then later on, practically tomorrow, is the interest rates and FOMC. So I'll see how it goes. But you also have them PPI as well that same night, right? You also have PPI. So I'll see how like Asian session plays out tomorrow, because obviously the FOMC, Fed interest rate, the Fed conference is like technically tomorrow, but it's like tonight, right? So I'll see how Asia session goes. I'll see how Asia session pre-London. I'll see how price is forming, if it has volume, if it has direction, what the price actually is looking like, and then maybe I'll trade tomorrow. But Mercy Line, appreciate the follow. How do you calculate lot sizes? Just use a lot size calculator. I use I use fixed lots when I trade. So I just use a straight 5 lot, no matter kind of what trade I'm taking. If the stop loss starts, you know, if the stop loss is looking pretty big, then I will use a 2.5 lot. But most of the trades I take are with a 5 lot size. But yeah, I need to Can I explain CPI and FOMC? CPI is just inflation data for the US dollar, right? So they obviously, I mean, it's best if you go on Forex Factory, and you take a look at CPI right here. You click the folders, or you click FOMC. It's going to tell you what it is over here, right? A bit better than... You're going to get more understanding from reading this than from me telling you, basically. But it's just economic data. That's it. It's just economic data for the US dollar. What's up, Navid? What exchange? I use Blackball Markets, Navid. Blackball Markets. You'll find the link down below in the description. Would I hold my trade if I was in a buy since yesterday? It depends if I was... It depends if I was in profit. If I was in profit, I would move my stops to break even. If I was in drawdown, then I'd the closer we get to like 1030 or you know, inflation, I'll be starting to close positions. You're break even 70 pips profit, then you're good. Where's your profit level, AMG trades? Where are you looking to get out of the trade? Five lot with Heavy account, if you don't mind answering. The account is currently at the all here in the journal, 63,000. Um, 2327 is your take profit. 2327. Oh, Jesus. That's yeah, I know that level. I've literally got that level marked on my chart right here. AMG. This level right here. I mean, yeah. Like 140 pips away. I mean, yeah, there's potential. Is it better to buy a funded account? Yeah. It's I mean, yeah, if you're really strapped for capital and you can't work, right? You can't have a job and work and build your money and compound your account and trade your own money, then yeah, then do a funded account, whatever. But if you have the ability to work and work hard, and every week or month you get paid, start stacking up your live account with your own money. Even if it's like 50 a week, 100 a week, I would recommend that a lot more than just buying a funded account, because the reality of it is you're gonna lose that funded account most likely, right? Or even if you lose one or two of them and then you pass another one. So I would just recommend just stacking that money up, compounding it, trading it, right, with your own account. Then you have no restrictions. You can trade as you like. But it's just, yeah, everyone's different. Everyone's different. Everyone has a different opinion. But yeah, I mean, funded accounts are a good option, of course, but about BTC, what about BTC? You talking about for today? I don't really trade Bitcoin, but I don't trade Bitcoin at all. Bitcoin. Look at this price action. Inspect Powell chart. The hell is Pual? Why is everyone talking about Pual? Oh, it's Mizzy. Mizzy, stop spamming, bro. Stop spamming. Star comments. What are star comments? What the hell are star comments? Oh my gosh. I just woke up, had a dream I was buying for news and price went 2387 and blew my account. You were selling for news and blew your account? Shish, that's not a good dream. That sounds like a nightmare, not a dream. AFCK, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Can you explain what will happen to gold price if inflation is higher than predicted? So you're talking about if the actual is greater than what they've forecasted, right? Is that what you're saying? This news is unpredictable. Yeah, that's why I stay out of the market. If actual is greater than forecast, then that's positive for the US dollar, which means the gold could potentially spike down, right? Because you can see right here, if you look at the previous, the forecast was 0.3, but it was the actual was 0.4, and that was positive for the US dollar. So the US dollar would gain strength, meaning gold would go down. Technically, right? It doesn't always work out exactly that way, but technically, that's what they're saying. It should. But usually you'll get a spike in either direction, and then the continuation in that current trend, or based on the news, right? How do I see upcoming CPI and XAU trend? Right now, there's not really anything we can go off, right? If we're looking at the 15-minute or the 5-minute right here, there's nothing to go off right here. So on the lower time frames, there's no direction, no volume, and not really much we can do about this or say about this, right? But if you're just, again, if you start just zooming out and going, okay, what is the higher time frame saying? If the lower time frame is looking messy and we're getting a bit overwhelmed and unsure and not, you know, can't make your mind or decision on what is going on, then zoom out, go to the higher time frame, take a look at what is happening on the weekly, for example. You can see the weekly currently is looking bearish, right? And you can see the last 3 weeks, 1, 2, 3, there's been bearish closures, there's been lower highs, lower lows, you know, spike out of these highs right here last week, but closed bearish below all these wicks right here. And now this week, this is where it gets interesting, or, you know, important to kind of break down. If you think about last week's candle, this one right here, look at the top wick right here. Look at this week's candle top wick and this week's candle top wick. They all closed bearish and they all created substantial top wicks before driving down, breaking the lows and continuing bearish. So if we think about currently during the week, we've had Monday and Tuesday closing bullish, right? So if price is going to continue bearish at some point for the rest of this week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we really need to start seeing that bearish momentum coming into the market, like, you know, today, tomorrow-ish, and start driving down, breaking the lows and continuing bearish potentially. So there's always a potential for a bearish move here this week, at any point, right? So it's just about understanding when and where that can happen. That can happen very much with news today, right? If depending on what kind of news we have here, if it's positive or negative for the US dollar, and that could give gold a push, right? If the news is positive for the US, if you get good data for the US right here for inflation, you could see gold start, you know, starting to really sell off and start coming back down into these areas and beyond. So oh my god, these guys are annoying me. Who are these guys? They're like a pump and dump scheme or some shit, talking about Hual. You're all getting muted. You're all getting muted. Mizzy, you're getting muted. Told ya, brother. I told ya. Yeah, I'm here till news. I'm here till news. Yeah, I've muted them, bro. I've muted them. Sniffy, thank you for the follow. But yeah, if you think about now the weekly, the monthly again, right? The monthly is also currently bearish. Created a tight wick, spiked down, coming into these previous monthly lows. Oh my god, they're still here again. Sean, do one. Nobody cares about your goddamn owl cryptocurrency. But look at this 4 hour now, right? We've got about 52 minutes left of this 4 hour candle. We have news in about 23 minutes. So look at the way this 4 hours forming, right? The way we are currently have closed underneath this resistance. Price has wicked off once, wicked off twice. And if we start breaking down now below this level and these wicks, we could start seeing price start to drive down, which would also potentially align with positive US data. What's up, Erie? Have you got any positions open for gold? No, I have no positions open for gold. I don't trade at all during inflation, interest rates, or NFP days at all. Not during Asian session, London session, or New York session at all. That's just part of my trading plan, my rules, and that's what I stick to. That's what I follow. Ryan, appreciate the follow on TikTok. But now what we're going to do, now what we are going to do is, if we're trying to, oh my god, it's Sean again. He's come on a different account. Matty Turn, appreciate the follow. So if we look at the weekly, right, and we want to look at this weekly candle, right? Let me just, oh my god, they're coming in. Can somebody be a mod in the chat in TikTok for me, please, and just keep muting all these people that come in? So anything to do? Oh, you know what? Let me just ban that word. Let me just ban that word. Let me put that. So what is it? POOWEL. Let me just ban that word. Let me see if this works first, amigas. So if we take a look at last week, right? Let's outline that last weekly candle and let's take a look at the days. And then we'll see currently what we have this week. So this is Monday. So you can see this is last week's weekly candle in here, right? In this box, we have the daily candles in here, right? And you can see Monday closed bullish, Tuesday bearish, Wednesday, Thursday bullish. And then it wasn't until Friday we got that huge sell-off on Friday, right? Coming all the way down. So that's not a very good indication. Let's go to the previous week. And let's see if we can just find something while we're waiting for news here. Go to the daily. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, this could be similar to what we're seeing this week, right? If you have a look currently right now at this weekly candle over here from the end of May, start of June, you have Monday, Tuesday, bullish candles. These two candles right here, right? Monday, Tuesday, bullish candles. 1, 2. Now look what we have this week so far. We have 2 bullish candles, right? Creating lower highs and lower higher lows and lower highs. No. Oh my god, I need to sleep. Higher highs and higher lows. Right, same here. Higher highs and higher lows. Right here. Same thing happened over during this week. Higher highs and higher lows, right? Then what happened on Wednesday, which is today, right? Wednesday's candle didn't break the highs and it sold off, right? Breaking those previous daily lows. Currently, so far, the Wednesday candle for today's session hasn't broke the previous highs. And again, we could potentially get that sell-off here, right? Same thing that happened over here. So let's see what happens today. Like I said, if we're going to see this weekly candle continue bearish and kind of form the same as these weekly candles have, then you want to start seeing that sell-off at some point. And that can come with, you know, validation in potentially breaks below this key level. And even, you know, you guys, last June, you guys saw me. What's up, Tommy? Last week, you guys saw me talk about the 12-hour candles, right? And look at the first 12-hour candle of today. This is the day's first 12-hour candle closing bearish, right? So this can give a good indication of where this potential second 12-hour candle, because you get 2 12-hour candles in a daily candle, this could give a good indication of where the next 12-hour candle is going to go. And once we start breaking these 12-hour lows down here, right, that could give us a good entry then on the lower time frames to start coming down on the daily perspective, you know, down into, you know, kind of this range down in here. FOMC, yeah, Sean, we got CPI, we got FOMC, we got interest rates, we got it all, bro. So if you're thinking about the weekly, right, being bearish, then you're thinking about that weekly candle that I showed you, not from last week, but the week before, the end of June, sorry, the end of May. You had the Monday, Tuesday pullback from the daily perspective, right? Which is exactly what you have right here. The Monday, Tuesday pullback candles, bullish, creating the weekly top wick in order for then the weekly candle to flip bearish and start driving bearish and breaking the lows down here, right? And this would be your target, these areas down in here, because these are the previous weekly lows that if you, again, anticipate the weekly candle flipping bearish, creating the top wick, flipping bearish and coming down then and breaking the previous weekly lows, which will be down here, that would be a nice target. And if you're thinking about entries below this 12-hour level right here, this resistance support level to the left, this is a nice, you know, what is this? A nice 242 pip range down in here, right? You'd have to obviously consider this area of rejection here, but you know, that would be what I would be looking at. But again, news can just blow all of that out of the water. It all just depends on news, right? You can talk about price action and structure and trend all day long, but when you have news like CPI, none of that matters, right? All that matters at that point is news, when it drops, the data, if it's positive, negative, and where gold is going to head to next, right? That's all that matters. So that's why I don't trade, because most of the time news is just going to completely ignore the technicals, of course, and just go where it wants to go anyway. What's up, Kiwi Girl? Lexi, good morning. It seems like the filtering the Puwal word has worked. But yeah, those would be my thoughts, right? Just taking a step back, zooming out. You know, if you're looking at this time frame right now, it doesn't look that bad, right? You can kind of get a picture of what is potentially happening from this time frame, and the daily time frame, and the weekly time frame. But if you're going down then onto the 15, right? This is when you're going to start getting overwhelmed, confused, and thinking, oh, I don't know what to do here. Like, you know, too much going on, it's consolidating. That's when you just need to step back, zoom out, look at the hard time frame, understand what is happening overall. Wait till news. What's up, Joe? Wait till news passes. Give it an hour or two after news. Then look, see where price is at, see what could potentially be happening, and then go from there. I'm not trading today. Either better to be in safe side and just watching it. Yeah, I agree. I agree. CPI gonna eat all that shit? Yeah, of course. Of course. Of course, my brother. But like I said, below this level, obviously not now after news, or potentially tomorrow if it doesn't come in. But you know, this level right now will give you the range potentially down into this area. You got like this area in here maybe that you need to you know, be wary of. But in terms, if you're just looking at the weekly candle, the weekly price action, the way the weekly is set up, like this, and you know, simple price action would be that this weekly candle is creating a tight wick to flip bearish and continue bearish, right? Not saying that it's going to, but that's what I would be looking for. But again, like I said, with news, just don't know, do anything. Jerome Powell is the Fed. Oh yeah, I know that, Wayne. That's not what they were referring to though. They were saying it with POOWEL or something. It's like a crypto. It's like I think there's like a pump and dump crypto scam thing. Yeah, this is gold. This is gold. Posted the socials. Am I trading CPI? Hell no, brother. Hell no. Hell no to the no. Hell no to the no. Human alert. My security camera just detected a human. Let me have a look. Oh. Wife. It's me wife. Oh, here we go. We're getting a bit of volume here. Getting a bit of a push here coming in pre CPI. Pre CPI. USD CAD. Where is USD CAD? USD CAD is starting to sell up a little bit. Interesting. Interesting. Look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful. What platform? This is TradingView. It seems that way right now, doesn't it, Wayne? It seems that way right now. I just had a little alert there on USD CAD. I don't trade any of the pair, but I still like to do analysis. It's, you know, it's still fun to do analysis and watch how it plays out. Let's see. 8 minutes, 8 minutes. Do a quick post. But yeah, V5 is ready, guys. V5 is ready. V5 is ready. The V5 manual is ready. Everything is ready for V5 release. So I'm thinking I don't want to just release it midway through the week. I think I'll release it on the weekend. I'll release it on the weekend. Maybe like, yeah, Saturday-ish. And everyone can go over all the new content. Everyone go over the new update. Get familiar. And then we go again Monday. Who's excited for V5? Is this shit? Who's excited? Oh, I'll wait for V5. I'm excited about it. Bring it on, boss man. All right, we got 4 minutes. 4 minutes, 20 seconds. It's negatively correlated? Yeah, negatively. Of course it would be, because obviously the other pair is USD CAD. When it's positive news for USD CAD is going to go up, which means gold is going to go down, because US dollar is getting stronger, which means gold would get weaker. Buying or selling? Yeah, nothing right now, bro. You got news in 3 minutes, bro. You got news in 3 minutes. CPI news. Definitely don't want to be in a trade during CPI news. If you are, move stops to break even. Or if you're in profit, just get out of profit. Because I promise you, you're going to see a sharp spike, especially with how this is forming here on the lower time frames, right? When was the last one? 15th of May, right here. Let's have a look how price action was over here. You see, look at the last one. Look at the last one right here. This was the last CPI. You did not get any of this consolidation. Look, price just continued to move as normal, right? No consolidation in here anywhere. Now today, look what we've had. So my guess is gonna be you're gonna get quite a big spike. Cody, I don't trade now, but my training level is reaching the sky. Yeah, that's how it does get you like that. How many lots I use? 5 lots. What's up, Tony? The build up, the suspense. Gold is creating suspense right now. It's like a Hollywood movie. It's building suspense for a big finish. Where you get 5 what? 5 lots, bro. 5 lots. One to 500 leverage. Two minutes, 1 minute. One to 500 leverage. Matty boy, appreciate the follow. All right, let's see it. 30 seconds. Let's see it. We go. What's up, Winter? All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Oh. Eesh. AMG, there's your take profit hit, bro. Oh shit, it's pumping. Look at that spike. That literally just spiked. 100 pips in like 2 seconds right there. From the bottom. From the bottom. 214 or so pips. Spike up. Yeah, AMG, you'll taper off a hit, bro. I told you. Sheesh. Now that is a fucking reaction. Holy shit. God damn. God damn. 216 pips, man. Spike up. All right, let's see it. Let's see the numbers. What are the numbers saying? Negative, obviously. All of them. All of them negative. All of them negative. Yeah, that's bad. That's bad. Oh. No wonder. That's why it was consolidating for so long. The market probably already priced in those numbers. And it was just like, yeah. Time for blast off. So it has to cut, yeah. I said it will come down. I said based on normal price action without news, I would anticipate price to come down. But with news, you can never anticipate anything. You have to wait until news happens. Yeah. Why trade in news? Nobody traded in news, bro. Nobody traded. AMG was already in a trade from, I think, I don't know when he said he was in the trade from. Yesterday or something, or this morning, but he was already in a trade, so he had his stops at break even. Would have broken my heart and ruined my day. What happened, ZK? Dream for FOMC? Nah. That's like 4 AM, bro. I'm not that not that keen, bro. Jesus. Thought it would be a sell. That is why I never tried to predict. That is why I never try and predict for news. Well, I don't predict for news. Because you can never predict that. You don't do news? Yeah, I don't do news. I didn't trade at all today. Because of this. But we have spiked into these levels now, right? We have spiked into these levels. This one, this one. So it'll be interesting to see how we got a 4-hour closure in about 30 minutes. It'll be interesting to see how this 4-hour candle closes now that we tapped into these levels. Bum, 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 bum. Sheesh. Not worth the grief. You're just gambling. End of it. You do news, yeah. Exactly. Exactly, bro. Like if you're still in a trade like AMG was, you know, you was in a trade from like yesterday or something, you're at break even, then fair enough, right? You're at break even, you're whatever. But trying to enter a trade, Cody, mate, dump 10k into like you said, important. How millionaire? Yeah, if you're already in a trade, it's cool, right? You just have your stops at break even or get out before news drops. But trying to enter a trade while this is happening, right, to try and guess which way it's going is yeah, bad news. I made a quick 4,360 on demo. Let's go. We got some rich demo traders in the house. Around the chart is glitched. What do you mean? It's fine for me. Let's go, chef, on Euro USD. What did you do? You bought Euro USD? Nice, bro. My heart was pounding. Shit, man. That's not good, bro. Not good, brother. All right, guys. I'm out. I just wanted to stop by quickly and watch this with you guys. Obviously, I'm not trading today. I'll be back tomorrow for some, you know, some trades and analysis. But this is a no trade day for me, so I just came here to chill, watch this with you guys, and I'll be back tomorrow. All right. HB, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Back to the regularly scheduled programming. Told the consolidation market closed me out. 612. Oh shit, bro. Yeah, don't fuck around during CPI, bro. Don't fuck around, bro, during CPI. You're gonna get burnt. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you later, YouTube. Has anyone got any plans to is anyone looking to enter any trades or what? Wait, how many likes we got on the YouTube, first of all? We have 7 likes. 34 people in here, man. Come on. Come on, guys. Eight likes. Up 127 pips, Wayne. Let's go, bro. Damn, son. Is that because you was looking at the USD CAD selling off, so you anticipated gold to go up? $77 votes. How did we have 77 votes? Was there even 77 people in here? Oh, nice, bro. Nice anticipation. All right, guys. I'll be back tomorrow. Appreciate you. That was fun. That was an insane spike up. It was insane. That's one of the biggest spikes from news like NFP, CPI, interest rates I've seen in a while. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, right? And I'll see you guys, the members in the Discord, of course. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.